All right, I'm gonna take a look at this package I just got from Global Golf. It should be my Sim 2 driver, and I wanted to make this video because I ordered it in value condition. So I figured let's take a look at it, see what value condition really looks like, and see how bad can it really be. So I ordered the Sim 2 Max D driver, 10.5, and it's with the Tensai AV Raw Blue shaft. Should be in stiff. Let's take this off, let's see. Okay. Ooh, all right. So just looking at it, it is the right club, Sim 2 Max D, in 10.5. So looking here, it is set up not standard, so I will have to change that. Let's look at the shaft, make sure it's the right one. So we do have the Tensai AV Raw Blue, and it is in stiff flex, so that's right. And then looking nice and close at the shaft, I don't see anything cosmetically wrong with the shaft right now. Here's the grip. Grip looks all right. And now we'll take a look down at the head. And this is where I already see something. So I don't know if you could pick that up. And there's some chips right here on the top. Over here. Looking at the crown, definitely see some scuffs on top here. That I should be able to just wipe away, just kind of polish it up. Face definitely has some wear on it, but it's going to. And let's take a look underneath. Oh yeah. So you could tell that's pretty nice and scratched up underneath, right here. Some scratch marks down here. And then work our way around to the back. Overall, definitely looks like it's in value condition. I'm thinking with these little scratches here, I should be able to maybe just fill them in with some whiteout or something like that. The club I bought it was $250 shipped. Normally it was like $280 or $290. So there was a coupon code, it was in value condition. That's compared to very good condition and being, $380 plus. So saved at least $100 going with this value condition versus also brand new being $400 plus. This is last year's model. So, for the little amounts of chips and scuffs on the bottom, which I'm gonna try and just clean it up, see what it looks like. It is the right product. It does seem intact. And to save $100, $200, getting last year's model Taylormade driver for $250 shipped, I think that's a win. So, not too bad. If I went very good condition, obviously I would expect more out of it. This is pretty much where I was expecting it to be. So, hopefully that helps someone out if they're looking to buy a value condition club from Global Golf. Let me know in the comments if it did help you out, or just hit the like button so I know that it did help you out at all.